Don't prioritize your looks, my friend, as they won't last the journey. Your sense of humor, though, will only get better with age. Your intuition will grow and expand like a majestic cloth of wisdom. Your ability to choose your battles will be fine-tuned to perfection. Your capacities for stillness, for living in the moment, will blossom. Your desire to live each and every moment will transcend all other wants. Your instinct for knowing what and who is worth your time will grow and flourish like ivy on a castle wall. Don't prioritize your looks, my friend. They will change forevermore. That pursuit is one of much sadness and disappointment. Prioritize the uniqueness that make you, you, and the invisible magnet that draws in other like-minded souls to dance in your orbit. These are the things which will only get better. Judi Dench.